Hello, friends. Nowadays, since winters are going on, we'll discuss a very important topic, that is dry cough. Many patients are coming with complaints of cough, khansi, with pain in chest, or cough with phlegm, or chronic allergic cough after suffering from a bout of catarrh, cold cough. But the lingering allergic cough remains. Now, according to symptoms of the patient, we prescribe specific remedy for the patient. For example, if a person comes with dry cough, pain in chest, heaviness in chest, and that chronic kind of cough remains, and dry cough several times in a day, although he does not feel cold, he may be a hot patient, he does not feel cold more, then the remedy is Brainia. He also has normal thirst to increase thirst, and he might be having slight fever. Brainia will cover all these symptoms. Then Brainia 30 twice in a day for 3 days can be given. Second patient, if he comes with dry cough that is worse at night when he is sleeping, then many bouts of cough in the night with while sleeping, dry cough, and the patient is a thyroid patient. He has this allergic lingering cough. We can give Spongia 30 twice daily for 5 days, and the cough will just go away like magic. Other constitutional symptoms should also be taken care of while prescribing. Then the third remedy, if the patient has dry cough which is aggravated by cold air when he sits in AC, or when the weather is cold with dry cold air and he has dry cough, then the medicine is Rumex 30. This can be given thrice a day for 5 days. The cough will disappear like magic. Now, the other remedies. If the patient has dryness of throat, increased thirst for small quantities again and again, the patient is anxious, restless, and he has running nose as well, then the and he is restless, then the medicine is arsenic album 30, which can again be given twice for 3 days. Now, if the patient has dyspnea with cough, difficulty in breathing with cough, dry cough, then if the spasm of the bronchi is there, then the medicine is Blata, which can be given in tincture form, 10 drops twice daily. If the patient has difficulty in breathing, cough, and feels mucus inside, then Sinega tincture and Grindelia tincture can be given twice daily, 10 drops. So according to symptoms of the patient, many medicines are there. Next video we will make on difficulty in breathing. Till then, thank you.